The Pontiac Fiero was a revolutionary experiment that turned into one of the most intriguing cars of its era. With a mid-engine layout, sharp wedge-shaped styling, and an ambition to bring an affordable sports car to the masses, the Fiero quickly became an automotive icon. Though the first production models arrived in 1984, Pontiac had originally conceived the Fiero as early as 1980, making this a car that was years ahead of its time. Designed to be fuel-efficient yet sporty, it blended innovation with a bold new direction for American performance vehicles. The development of the Fiero began in the late 1970s, with Pontiac engineers pushing the boundaries of design. Unlike anything GM had built before, it was the first mass-produced mid-engine car from an American manufacturer. Originally planned as a fuel-efficient commuter car, the Fiero was built with lightweight composite body panels over a steel space frame, giving it a futuristic look while also reducing weight. However, enthusiasts quickly recognized its potential as a true sports car, leading Pontiac to refine its performance in later models. When the Fiero finally debuted in 1984, it offered a 2.5L Iron Duke four-cylinder engine, paired with either a 4-speed manual or 3-speed automatic transmission. Though its power output was modest, the chassis and handling characteristics hinted at a far greater performance potential. By 1985, Pontiac responded to demands for more power, introducing a 2.8L V6 in the Fiero GT, dramatically improving acceleration and making it a more serious competitor in the sports car world. The interior of the Fiero reflected Pontiac's 1980s design philosophy, with a driver-focused cockpit, deep-set gauges and futuristic styling, comfortable bucket seats, a unique center console, and a mix of digital and analog displays created a distinctive experience inside the cabin. Despite its compact size, the Fiero provided a surprisingly refined ride, with an independent suspension that enhanced stability and road grip. Unfortunately, due to corporate constraints and initial mechanical issues, the Fiero's reputation suffered early on. By the time Pontiac had fully refined the car in the late 1980s, the damage was done, and the model was discontinued after 1988. Today, the Pontiac Fiero is recognized as a collectible classic, with enthusiasts appreciating its groundbreaking design and customization potential. Prices for well-preserved examples continue to rise, with pristine GT models fetching upwards of $15,000, while project cars remain an affordable entry into mid-engine ownership. The Fiero's story is one of ambition, innovation, and redemption. A car that could have redefined Pontiac's legacy. It remains one of the most unique and misunderstood vehicles ever built. Would you have wanted to see the Fiero evolve further? Drop your thoughts in the comments and join our community for more automotive deep dives.